Welcome! In front of me I have ROGBID S2 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the current watch face on the home screen to open the menu. Then you can tap on this icon right here to open the list of all icons or all applications rather. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, select the option called display. Then find the option called sleep and tap on it. And here we have the list of durations we can select from. Select the duration you like this, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the crown button right there to go back to watch face, my bad. And basically I selected 10 seconds, so that means my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity, like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.